Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Jillian coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, March 12th, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 52 degrees with partly sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks won last night against the Coyotes with a score of 7-1. Clubs meeting today are 5th grade band buddies, small ensembles will meet at 12:15 in the Fuse Lab. Hoover Run Club will meet from 3:15 to 4 in the LRC. Clubs meeting tomorrow morning are PBIS ambassadors will meet at 7:45 in the music room. Art Studio Apprentices Red Group will meet at 7:45 in the art room. Puzzle Club Session 2 will meet at 8 a.m. in room 101. Today's announcements are: today is Special Lunch Day. Come down with your ticket to enjoy some yummy pita house. And now a message from our happiness team. Go ahead.
Good morning, Hoover. Today we are going to talk about the fun 15 happiness tactics. Exercising each day helps us learn and grow. One idea that you can do for the fun 15 is to exercise for 15 minutes. How about doing jumping jacks, toe touches, sit-ups, crunches, or planks to start off your day? Why not give it a try to start your day out. Have a fabulous fit day.
Thank you, happiness team. Today is National Pancake Day. Did you know the world's biggest pancake was cooked in Rochdale in 1994? It was 49 feet in diameter, weighed 3 tons, and had an estimated 2 million calories. This week's pictures and sign-offs were brought to you by Room 212. Have a totally terrific Tuesday.